The modified Shackle Paracord Bracelet. Do you want to learn how to make it? Go check this tutorial. Hello guys, what's up? Today we will be working on a tutorial as to how to make the modified Shackle Paracord Bracelet. You will need 2 meters of cord for each color because this will be a 2-color bracelet, and it's an adjustable bracelet, so you will need the adjustable pieces, scissors and jet lighter, a bit of microcord and the needle together with these tools. So we will just start by connecting these 2 cords, and for this you need to cut the little cords inside and fix them. We will be burning them. Now I will just, in the center of my cord where I joined the paracords, I will just put it through the U-shackle and pass it. Like this. The part where you join the cords should be around here, near the U-shackle, but not exactly right here, because we need to hide this one. Now I will put my bracelet on the jig. You need to put the other piece of the adjustable U-shackle on the jig as well, and then just pass your paracords through the hole here. I'll pass both cords through the U-shackle. And make your first knot like this. Pass it through the loop. do the same for the other cord as well, like this. So basically the base of my bracelet is completed. Now I will start making my modified knots. It's similar to the basic cobra knots. Just you need to put the cord to the hole here like this. Right hand cord to here, left hand cord over the right hand cord and through this loop here. Now I will do the same again with the same cord this way, like this. Right hand cord over the left hand cord, under the base and through the loop here. Like this. Don't forget to fix your cords after each knot. I am almost halfway through the bracelets and I keep making the same knots again. So we are almost done with the bracelets, and I will just pass my cords through the loop here and we will complete it. It's completed. This is the final look of our modified Shackle Paracord bracelets. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a good day.